Hi, welcome back. Now we'll be going through how to use if-else statements in C#. So if-else statements is an important topic in C# programming. So it helps us to logically decide a course of action if something happens, if another condition happens. So if A happens, then we do B. If C happens, then we do D. Else we do F. Okay, so this is an important concept that you have to know. Okay, so an example would be a grading system where, say, we enter the marks of a particular subject. Okay, in this case, so we ask, for example, so we declare a teacher's score. Okay, set it to 0 first. So and then if score is more than equals to 50, right, we say console.out.writeLine. Okay, we say if it's more than or equals to 50, we say that that person has passed. Else, okay, console.out.writeLine, okay, failed. Okay, now you can put the brackets there. Okay, if it's only one statement, you do not generally need brackets, but if it's like a block of statements, for example, if we want more lines of code inside here, then we need the opening and closing curly braces. Okay, so what this code does is it simply checks the score of the subject. If the score is more than or equal to 50, we output pass. Okay, else we output fail. Alright, so pretty simple. Okay, let's try this. Okay, and we can change this. Okay, score. We can take the user input. Okay, console.readLine. Okay, and then we have to convert this thing, convert to integer 32, what we have read in. Alright, okay, so let's try this. So if, say, we scored 60, answer, pass. Alright, okay, let's run it again. Say now we scored 40, fail. Alright, okay, so this is simple if else. We declare a variable that takes in user input, convert it to an integer. So we compare. If the integer is more than or equals to 50, then pass. Else it has to be less than 50. That means fail. Alright, okay, so for if else, take note that it can be more than or equals to 50, or it can be we can do things like less than as well, okay, or not equals to, or equals to. If it's equals to 50, okay, take note that it should be, if it's equals, it should be 2 equals instead of just 1 equal. This will give you a syntax error. Alright, okay, over here. Okay, you have to put that equal sign over here. So we call these conditions, which we evaluate whether true or false. So if it's true, then we will do this. Okay, else, if it's not true, it will go on to the else portion. Alright, so to extend our if else, okay, we can compare more than one conditions as well. Okay, we can say that for example, if score is more than or equal to 50 and score is less than or equals to 55, okay, we can say is, what we can say is it's a D grade, for example. Okay, it's D grade. Okay, so what it means is we check for 2 conditions now, that the score must be more than or equals to 50 and the score must be less than or equals to 50, and it's a D grade. Okay, and we can go on to extend else if, okay, score is more than or equals to, or rather more than or equals to more than 55, okay, and score is less than or equals to 60, then it's a D plus. Okay, so what we have done is we have, instead of if else, it's a if else if. Okay, so if score more than or equals to 50 and less than or equals to 55, else if it's more than 55 and score less than 60, then it's D plus. Else, okay, then we can carry on like this. We can have more else if or just else. Okay, well, but what it means is that finally it will come, if it doesn't fit the above conditions, it should come to the else portion over here. Okay, so this is with all these if else statements, it will help you to form a decision path project.